This is all customized model, MP by FDR, double station, double head full speed, L, or plus or production. We adopt the cold cutter, cut and seal the parasite. Study the flashing system to remove all the scrap material off. Robot will take out the ready product without any labor required, clean and more efficiency. This is BR controller from Austria, more faster response. Product will be transit from the middle of the machine and gathered together. The output by this machine is around 500 to 520 PCS per every hour, fully automatic, no labor required. Finally transfer to the leak tester or filling machine, or maybe labeling machine directly.